Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel where we provide you with informative content to help you make better financial decisions. Today, we are going to talk about the Navy Federal Credit Union mortgage process. If you are a first-time homebuyer, this video is going to be a great resource for you, as we walk you through the mortgage application process with Navy Federal Credit Union and provide you with tips to make the process easier. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more financial advice. So, let's get started. Understanding the mortgage process. The mortgage process can be complex and overwhelming for first-time homebuyers, but we are here to simplify it for you. We will break down the process into 4 easy steps: pre-approval, finding the right home, making an offer, and closing. Let's dive into each of these steps in more detail. Pre-approval. Getting pre-approved for a mortgage can give you several advantages when it comes to buying a home. Here are some key benefits. Knowing your budget. When you get pre-approved for a mortgage, the lender will give you a clear idea of how much you can afford to borrow. This can help you narrow down your search to homes that are within your budget, so you don't waste time looking at properties that are out of reach. Increased bargaining power. Having a pre-approval letter in hand can give you an advantage when negotiating with sellers. It shows that you are a serious buyer and have the financial backing to make an offer. In some cases, it may even help you secure a better deal on the property. Faster closing process. Because much of the paperwork and underwriting process is completed during pre-approval, the actual loan process can be expedited, allowing you to close on your home more quickly. However, it's important to note that pre-approval is not the same as final approval. Once you find a property you want to buy, the lender will still need to do a final review of your application and the property itself before issuing a final approval. Additionally, it's important to shop around for the best pre-approval offer. Different lenders may have different requirements and rates, so it's worth taking the time to compare and find the best fit for your needs. Overall, getting pre-approved for a mortgage can be a crucial step in the home buying process, giving you a clear idea of your budget, increasing your bargaining power, and helping you close on your dream home more quickly. Finding the right home. When it comes to buying a home, one of the most important steps is finding the right one for your needs and budget. To ensure you find your dream home, there are several factors you should consider. Location is a crucial factor to consider. The location of your home can have a big impact on your daily life, including commute times, proximity to schools and amenities, and the safety of the neighborhood. It's important to think about your lifestyle and what kind of location would work best for you. In addition to location, the size and layout of your home are also important factors to consider. Think about how much space you need, both now and in the future. Do you need room for a growing family or a home office? Consider how the layout of the home will fit your lifestyle and needs. The condition of the home is another important factor to consider. When you are considering a home, it's important to take into account its condition. Is the home move-in ready, or will it require significant repairs or renovations? If so, factor those costs into your budget and decision-making process. And definitely, the price of the home is a crucial factor to consider as well. Make sure to set a budget and stick to it, taking into account other costs such as property taxes and maintenance expenses. Remember, you want to find a home that you can comfortably afford, without stretching your budget too thin. Once you have narrowed down your search to a few potential homes, it's important to do your due diligence before making an offer. Consider getting a home inspection to identify any potential issues with the property, and don't be afraid to ask questions of the seller or your real estate agent. Making an offer. Once you have found the right home, it is time to make an offer. Making an offer is the process of submitting a formal offer to the seller, stating how much you are willing to pay for the property. When making an offer, it is important to consider factors such as the current market conditions and the seller's motivations. It is also important to include contingencies in your offer, such as a home inspection contingency, to protect yourself from any unforeseen issues. Closing. The final step in the mortgage process is closing. Closing is the process of signing the final documents and transferring ownership of the property to you. During the closing process, you will need to provide documentation such as proof of insurance and proof of funds for the down payment and closing costs. You will also need to sign documents such as the mortgage note and deed of trust. On closing day, you will receive the keys to your new home and officially become a homeowner. Tips for first-time homebuyers. As a first-time homebuyer, the mortgage process can be overwhelming. Here are some tips to help you navigate the process with ease. Improve your credit score. A higher credit score can help you qualify for a better interest rate on your mortgage, which can save you thousands of dollars over the life of the loan. You can improve your credit score by paying your bills on time, keeping your credit card balances low, and avoiding new credit inquiries. Save for a down payment. Aim to save at least 20% of the purchase price of the home to avoid paying private mortgage insurance or PMI, which can add hundreds of dollars to your monthly mortgage payment. If you can't afford a 20% down payment, you may be able to qualify for a low down payment loan program, but keep in mind that these often come with higher interest rates and fees. Budget for your new home. In addition to the mortgage payment, make sure to factor in other expenses such as property taxes, homeowner's insurance, and maintenance costs into your monthly budget. You don't want to be caught off guard by unexpected expenses after you move in. Be realistic about your needs versus wants. Make a list of your must-haves and nice-to-haves in a home and be willing to compromise on some things. Remember, you can always make changes and upgrades to the home later on. Get a home inspection. A home inspection can uncover any potential issues with the property and help you negotiate repairs with the seller. This is an important step to ensure that you are making an informed decision about the home you are considering. Consider the future. Think about your long-term plans and whether the home you are considering will meet your needs in the years to come. Will you be starting a family? Will you need more space? These are important factors to consider when making your decision. Why choose Navy Federal Credit Union? Now that you know the steps involved in the mortgage process, you may be wondering why you should choose Navy Federal Credit Union for your mortgage loan. Here are some reasons why Navy Federal Credit Union may be a good choice for you. Competitive interest rates. Navy Federal Credit Union offers competitive interest rates on their mortgage loans. Flexible loan options. Navy Federal Credit Union offers a range of loan options to meet your needs, including conventional, FHA, and VA loans. No PMI. If you are a military member or veteran and qualify for a VA loan, you may be able to avoid paying private mortgage insurance or PMI. Excellent customer service. Navy Federal Credit Union is known for its excellent customer service and commitment to serving military members and their families. Conclusion. The Navy Federal Credit Union mortgage process may seem daunting at first, but with the right information and guidance, it can be a smooth and stress-free experience. Remember to take your time, do your research, and ask questions along the way. And if you are considering a mortgage loan, be sure to explore your options with Navy Federal Credit Union, a trusted financial institution that has been serving military members and their families for over 80 years. We hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more financial tips and advice. Thanks for watching.